The title of this mini podcast is Last in Line Won't Last. Here's something worth chewing on. If something's continually at the bottom of your priority list, is it really a priority? I have a friend, Ned, who used to make these long priority lists, and every time he made a new one, something notable happened. The same items kept showing up at the bottom, month after month, year after year. Things like learning Spanish. At some point, he realized those things weren't priorities at all. They were something else. And I think I know what that something else is. They're obligations. You know, the things you feel like you should do, but you never quite get around to doing them, and somehow they always sink to the bottom. Just say these two words out loud for a second. Priority, obligation. They don't feel the same, do they? If you're like me, obligation has a heavier feel, a little draining. Now take that same idea and apply it to people. If someone is a priority in your life, they can feel it. And if they're an obligation, well, they can feel that too. And let's be honest, none of us likes feeling like we're at the bottom of someone's list. Here's what Ned eventually did. He took those bottom-of-the-list items off completely. He stopped pretending they were priorities when they weren't. They were just sitting there, taking up space and quietly stressing them out. So when it comes to people, you've got a choice. You can leave them at the bottom, where both of you feel that subtle tension, or you can move them up, make them a true priority. Because here's what I've seen over and over again. If someone stays at the bottom long enough, they eventually take themselves off your list. They get tired of feeling like an obligation. Now, you can wait for that to happen, or you can make a cleaner, more honest decision sooner. Is it painless? Not always, but it is more workable. And in my experience, when you shift someone from being an obligation to a genuine priority, everything changes. You show up differently. They feel it, and somehow you both feel better. But if you don't make that shift, and you don't let go either, then the bottom of that list, it keeps nagging and dragging on you. So yeah, you've got a choice. Maybe not an easy one, but one that can keep you from being last in line. All the best, John.